Man, your breath smells like ancient history.
What? I just brushed my teeth.
You brushed them with what? A fossil? Hey, your toothpaste expired when dinosaurs were still alive.
Rocco, get up. We know you're faking it.
I can't move. My back is broken. I slipped on a donut crumb in the station.
There is nothing wrong with him.
I am paralyzed with pain. Call my lawyer. I am suing the city for $10 million and a lifetime supply of walnuts.
What is happening here?
We are doing dance practice for your marriage.
Oh, wow.
Someone call the police. I'm being kidnapped by a fluffy criminal. Let go of my tail, you tiny maniac. This is not a walk. This is an abduction. I did not sign up to be your Uber.
You're here under investigation. Do you understand the charges?
Charges? I'm a public servant. I only redistributed the snacks to the needy.
Redistributed without a budget?
Budget? I thought crumbs were unlimited. This committee will reconvene at bedtime.
Bedtime? My reading...
Court is now open. You are charged with stealing cookies.
Objection! I was inspecting them for quality.
You also screamed at Grandma yesterday. She started a fight. She called me fat featherball.
Ma'am, speeding can get you in serious trouble.
Do you know who my father is?
Why didn't your mother tell you?
Honey, stop. Please.
I'm Scratch's tail. Don't break cute. These claw marks match your paws. You have the right to buy a new sofa cover. If you scratch again...
Dispatch, we need backup.
Backup denied due to officer's attitude problem.
Parrot!
Rules are rules. Article 7, subsection snippy tone. You know the drill.
I don't have time for this. We are outnumbered, and I'm asking... No, ordering backup, now.
Request filed. Attitude noted. Feathers...
Officer, will you be mine forever?
Forever.
Then block your husband right now. No mixed signals in our relationship. Meow. Meow, meow. Why is everything you say just meow, meow?
Meow.
You see? Only meow every time. How can we discuss important issues like snacks or chocolate? Meow. Meow.
Come on, honey, give me a kiss.
Man, please, your lipstick already scared me.
It's just makeup.
I don't like girls with lipstick. It looks like a crime scene on your face. Back up. I am too young to die.